Dear audience, today I am going to review 5 of the most popular beard trimmers. I hope you will get a good idea from this video, and you can decide which beard trimmer to get. There are different brands and different prices. Check out our description for more information. I hope you get what you're looking for. Let's watch the video. Number 1. Philips Norelco Multigroomer All-in-One Trimmer Series 7000. 23-piece men's grooming kit. Trimmer for beard, head, body, and face. No blade oil needed. MG775049. The trimmer comprises a strong and durable motor. A complete rust-proof stainless steel blade accompanies to offer precision in trimming. The battery life is reasonable and doesn't disappoint you. The trimmer also appears with an extensive range of combs, which makes trimming more convenient. Not just for facial hair. This trimmer suits flexibility in use. Dual cutting technology is a major feature of this machine. It comes with twice as many blades made with stainless steel. Self-sharpening blades are one more feature that makes it worth the money. Lithium-ion batteries and the trimmer offer you 5 hours runtime in one charge. 14 different guards vary in length are available to offer detailed trimming. Professionals can also achieve additional attachments to use it as a nose hair trimmer and foil shaver. 5-minute quick charge, completely cordless, water resistant. Makes it easy to clean self-sharpening blades. Number 2. Panasonic Cordless Men's Beard Trimmer with Precision Dial. Adjustable 19 length setting, rechargeable battery, washable RGB 42K. Black. The trimmer appears with a quick adjustable dial for length optimization. However, a unique selling point is 19 distinctive length setting availability. You can rotate the dial to achieve half-millimeter length increments while trimming. Blades are exceptionally sharp with stainless steel. The blades, designed at a 45-degree angle, offer precision in trimming. However, battery life is not much impressive. One single charge only offers you 50 minutes of runtime. Charging dock availability makes it completely cordless. The dock also alerts when the trimmer is ready to use. This trimmer also comes with clip-on comb attachments. This helps you manipulate trimming to achieve the required beard shape and design. Water resistivity, powered with water draining features, drains water and makes it convenient to clean it. Water resistivity assurance also permits you to fully submerge the trimmer into water. Sharp stainless steel blades. It comes with clip-on comb attachments, quick length. Adjust the dial, waterproof. Number 3. Philips Norelco Multigroomer All-in-One Trimmer Series 3000. 13-piece men's grooming kit for beard, face, nose, and ear hair trimmer and hair clipper. No blade oil needed. MG375060. Philips Norelco MG3750 has a dual cut technology as a signature feature in all Philips trimmers. Stainless steel sharp blades offer precision in trimming. Blades offer longevity with no chance of corrosion. A lithium-ion battery offers you powerful, quick charging in 5 minutes. However, it holds the charge for 60 minutes only. Long wires make it operational with or without any cord. Trimmer appears with 3 guards only. It includes a precision head stubble guard and ear trimming attachment. The attachments are washable. However, the trimmer is not. Trimmer is non-resistant to water and can get damaged when it comes in contact with water. The thin design makes the trimmer convenient to use with a great grip. The finishing touches are also quite impressive. Thin design that supports maximum grip, dual cut technology for easy trimming, stainless steel blades. Number 4. Wahl Professional 5-Star Cordless Magic Clip Hair Clipper. With 100+ minute run time for professional barbers and stylists. This trimmer appears with 0 overlapping stainless steel blades. Blades are adjustable to achieve any blend or fade in beard trimming. Trimmer comes as an ideal choice for creating a transition effect on beards. Battery life is average with 90 minutes run time in a single charge. You can either use it with a cord or cordless with long connectivity wires. 8 different clipper attachments come with this trimmer. All these vary in length. Blade oil and red blade guard are accessories to maintain blades for long years. The accessories are impressive, but the trimmer is still non-resistant to water. Complete submerging is not achievable. However, you can still clean it with a wet cloth. Moreover, it is a versatile machine with power and features. It comes as a top pick when you want fading and transition effects on the beard. Stainless steel blades to offer longevity. It comes with several maintenance accessories. It offers you cord or cordless accessibility. Number 5. Wahl Stainless Steel Lithium-Ion Cordless Beard Trimmer for Men. Rechargeable all-in-one men's trimmer with rotary ear and nose trimmer and detailed trimmer, model 9818A. This trimmer is a commercial-grade machine appearing with stainless steel blades. The blades are quite robust and formidable. It helps the trimmer offer great performance while trimming long thick beards. Lithium-ion rechargeable battery charges within an hour. and run for 4 hours in a single charge. 1 minute of charging is enough to achieve 15 minutes of beard trimming. This trimmer is completely cordless. The charging pace even makes it more convenient to use. 12 distinct attachment guards vary in length available in the trimmer. A personal rotary head is also available to offer you detailing. Unfortunately, the trimmer is non-resistant to water. Maintenance is only possible with dry clothes. One unique feature to expect from a trimmer is self-sharpening blades. This makes it a durable trimmer for the long run. Lithium-ion battery offers quick charging 4 hours runtime. It offers self-sharpening blades. It comes with stainless steel blades. Thank you very much for viewing the video. Subscribe our channel to get our video always. Comment your opinion. A link is provided in the video description to purchase the product.